I'm Scott Post from Linkforce.
Scott, Linkforce is actually one of the first companies, that integrated the Lightning. Now you've come out here today and had a drive. What was your take on it?
Yeah, really good. Really punchy, quite a nice vehicle to drive, a lot of room. They seem to be built pretty well, so yeah.
Yep. And you had the one with the tray on the back,
Yep.
so you got to see it and fit for purpose for a lot of the applications your business would see these vehicles out in the field. In terms of the operation of the vehicle, where do you see it best fit in the field?
We're doing a lot of sort of the fixed plant maintenance, and they're pretty good in and around there. The tray on the back is very useful for us. We sort of need that. We're trying to reduce vehicles overall, and so a slightly bigger vehicle can be a benefit to us.
Encompasses more.
Encompasses more, you can get more people in there and more comfortable.
Yep.
Some of the smaller vehicles that people are going
Because it's a full-size unit, not a mid-size, so you got bigger guys in the back, it's a full cabin space. And you're right, it is more of a truck frame than it is a ute. In terms of what you're seeing, the electrification journey for mines out at West here is underway. Do you see a place for the Lightning and those sorts of along that journey?
Yeah, there definitely is. There's definitely a place for it in the industry. It's just finding the right place and how it goes. And we're just working through the stepping stones now and how we're going to charge and how we can work the distances in between there. But they're things we've got to overcome.
Perfect.
No matter which vehicle you're going for, and we're going electric, we've got to overcome how we charge them. And if you're in the front of the game and you're out there now, well, we set the charges up for the machines that are there.
It's a perfect segue into the UON system that's here, the SmartCell DC fast charger. They deployed that in a day. It's a 400 kilowatt hour battery, 4 CCS2 charge cables, and that's off grid. So it's almost a turnkey solution. With that, do you think that makes it a much easier approach for them to integrate these vehicles and that as a combination together?
I think it would for sure. Like when we do the maintenance, and so we flex up and down. So we'll come in with a couple hundred people to maintain the plant.
Yep.
The plant can't be set for our numbers all the time. So we can bring our own charging stations and bring our own assets with our own vehicles. It'll make it much easier and more cost effective for our clients.
100% renewable, but also by supporting AUSEV, as our CLO always point out, it's supporting local Australian manufacturing jobs. And we said before that resource sector gives so much to Australians in terms of employment, and people can often think about it just focused near the mines, but it's up the supply chain where so many other people benefit, like us being an Aussie manufacturer.
Full supply chain is what we're for.
Exactly. Thank you.
Thanks.